In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Map into Notion, quick and easy. We're going to take a Notion page, add an embed block, grab an iframe from Google Maps, and place it right where you need it. By the end, you'll have an interactive map you can pan and zoom without ever leaving your workspace. Start by opening Notion and navigating to the page where you want the map to live. Click into the page so your cursor is active. Now type /embed, that's embed, and press Enter. Notion will create an empty embed block with a field where you can paste content. Think of this as a container that can display web content right inside your page. Next, switch over to your web browser and open Google Maps. In the search bar, look up the specific place you want to show, whether it's an address, a landmark, or a business. Make sure the map view is centered the way you like, since that initial view is what your embed will reflect. Click the Share option in Google Maps. In the Share dialog, choose Embed a Map. You'll see a preview and a line of code that starts with an iframe tag. This is the embed link you need. Click to copy that iframe code. Don't worry if it looks technical. You don't have to modify anything. Just copy it as is. Head back to Notion and click inside the embed block you created earlier. Paste the iframe code directly into that field, then press Enter. Notion will process the link for a moment and load your interactive Google Map right inside the page. You should be able to move around the map, zoom in and out, and click through as usual. If the map looks a bit cramped or too large, adjust it to fit your layout. Hover over the embedded map, and you'll see handles around the edges. Click and drag the sides to change the width, or drag from a corner to adjust both width and height until it looks just right in your page. That's all there is to it. Open your page, create an embed block, grab the iframe from Google Maps via Share and embed a map, paste it into Notion, press Enter, and then resize to taste. If the map doesn't appear, double-check that you copied the iframe embed and not a short link, and make sure you pasted it into the embed block. Once it's in, you've got a clean, interactive map right alongside your notes, project plans, or travel itineraries.